You can actually make money on YouTube before you get monetized. I know you heard that right. So in this video, I'm going to go through 4 different discussion points on how or different ways or what you can do to be able to get that coins rolling in even before your YouTube AdSense or when you become a YouTube partner. And for those of you that do not know, or for those that know, getting monetized on YouTube is you need 4,000 watch hours and you need 1,000 subscribers to be able to become a YouTube partner program or to join the YouTube partner program. But before all of that happens, there are different ways you can get that check rolling or you can get that cash coming in. And point number 1 is selling your product. I know. So if you're new to this channel, on this channel we discuss everything small business related, behind the scenes, DIYs, tips, ideas on how to grow your small business, because I own multiple small businesses, so I just discuss things relating to small businesses. I also show like packaging videos behind the scenes of doing like photo shoots and so many other things relating to running my small business. So all that information, people are able to see what the brand is about. I do try on hauls, just like an influencer would wear the outfit and post it. I try to do that as well. I post everything on this channel, so people are able to find the channel, find the website, go onto the website and order something from themselves or for whoever they want to order it for. I've had a lot of traffic from my YouTube channel to my website and people actually placing orders from there. So selling your own products, just showing it on here. I mean, there's so many small businesses on YouTube here that actually show behind the scenes of what their small business is about, and they have grown so much. I think with showing your brand on YouTube or telling people what you do or what your business is about it's free marketing. I mean, YouTube is a platform where you can advertise your brand for free without paying a dime for ads. And if you run ads, you know how expensive running ads can be. And the people that this is all how they get people to find their channel, and they do not even have to run ads. We do run ads, but I'm hoping we get to a point where we don't have to do too much ads running and we just get a lot of organic traffic and people just keep finding us that way. That's the idea, that's the hope. So yeah, show your business on YouTube, let people know what you're about, to try on hauls if it's a clothing brand, or just let people see what you're into. I mean, that is just free way of getting traffic to your website, of getting that coins in. So make sure if you're running a small business, even like showing the startup process before you actually start the brand, so you can show behind the scenes of, oh, I've just created my website, I'm getting my, if it's a service-based product or if it's an actual physical product, how you're getting the products in, and behind the scenes of how you're shooting it, just creating awareness, like building up that excitement until you actually go live. I mean, that is good. Make it as a series. That is really good content you can do online. I can get traffic that way to your website, and it's just, there's always no guarantee that you're going to sell out or you're going to get a lot of sales, but it's usually a gradual process. Make sure you get your business on YouTube. It's free. It's free advertising, free eyes on your brand. So make sure to do that. The next way that you can make money on YouTube without actually being monetized is affiliate marketing. I know this is quite popular. In case you're hearing this for the first time, so affiliate marketing is where you can get links to different sites. So sites that actually have affiliates, like Amazon. So you can join the Amazon affiliate program. Audible does affiliates as well, and Epidem Sound as well. And I think there's so many other brands and sites that offer affiliates. So you can sign up to the affiliate program and you can like create links where if people click on your link, you get a small commission of any sale that they make. And I think Amazon is quite really popular for doing that. So if you can get an affiliate link or join an affiliate program, and you can literally start getting coins from there. Right, so next thing is print on demand. This is another like popular way people make money off of YouTube. So you can use, there do so many sites now that actually offer print on demand. I know the one that is really quite popular is Printify. I know there's so many others. You can go on there and they have so many products that you can choose from. Create your own design if you're very artistic or your artist level is quite up there. You can create different designs, patterns, put them on. You can do like aprons, caps, phone cases, mugs, whatever you want to play around with. You can do all of that, create it, and put them on the different products. So if somebody orders, and you can use the sites like Etsy or Shopify to create the product, link it to Printify or to whatever print on demand platform you want to use, and then when someone goes on to place an order, they will do all the fulfillment. I mean, you do not need to lift a finger. The only thing you've done is create the product and put it on there. But obviously you have to market it as well, because if nobody knows that your product exists, then nobody's gonna buy it. And that's how YouTube comes in, because you can also probably publicize your print on demand on your YouTube channel, and then just get people to link and to go buy your product and then get that coins rolling. Last way is digital products, and which is another obvious one. I mean, the amount of digital products that I see these days, it is mind-blowing. It's like everywhere I turn to, everyone is selling digital products. So I mean, let's all jump on this. I feel like there's enough space, there's enough room for everybody to grow, for everybody to shine, and for everybody to make that money. So digital product is definitely a way you can make money off of YouTube. So if you're selling courses, if you're selling like templates or things, and all of this, you can do that on either platform like Etsy, or you can have your own Shopify website. But I would think doing it on Etsy, it's a cheaper version or cheaper option than doing it on Shopify, because Etsy will drive traffic for you. You get your traffic on Etsy easily, compared to Shopify, where if you create a Shopify website, you have to drive the traffic yourself and all of that. So I think in doing some of these things, you kind of stand a better chance using Etsy, even though Etsy fees is well higher than Shopify. The cost sometimes kind of balances out, especially as a new startup, upcoming brand. So yeah, definitely do check out Etsy. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just saying it because I've used both platforms, and I currently use both platforms. And I have also created a video on this channel to do like Etsy versus Shopify. So I'm going to leave that in the description and down below, so you can do well to check that out. So yeah, those are 4 ways you can use to create money off of YouTube, or to generate income off of YouTube without actually being monetized. So yeah, if you enjoyed the content of this video, if you found some value, or if you're going to be implementing any of this, let me know in the comment section which one you're going to be implementing. If you want more ideas on different ways you can make money on YouTube without actually being monetized, let me also know in the comment section below, and I'll do well to create the video. If you've enjoyed the content of the video, like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so when I post any upcoming videos, you get notified. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye. Oh wait, throat is not dry. Right, so 4 points. Oh wait, don't talk noisy. Jesus. Okay, so the 4 ways you can